How to create an account in Justtalk app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up the application. Now tap on sign up. Now click on sign up. Now enter your name and tap on sign up. Now enter your date of birth. Tap on continue. Again click on continue. Now enter your password and tap on continue. You can also continue with Google or phone number or tap on skip. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.